This short video will show you how to clean and care for your Smeg Personal Blender. To make cleaning simple, we recommend that you clean the components immediately after use. All parts of the blender, with exception of the blade and base unit, are dishwasher safe. Alternatively, wash the components by hand by using warm water and a mild detergent. If the intention is not to use the bottle on the go, then the bottle and blade can be quickly rinsed using water to flush it through. Fill the bottle with 600 ml of water. Secure the blade support to the bottle by turning it clockwise. Make sure that it is fastened tightly. Turn the bottle over and connect it into the base of the blender, ensuring that it sits flush. Turn the dial to speed 2 and press down for a couple of pulses. Return the speed dial to setting 0. Remove the bottle. The components can then be thoroughly cleaned when more convenient. To keep the outer surface of the blender base in good condition, it should be cleaned regularly after use. Use a damp and soft cloth with mild detergent. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. For more information on the Personal Blender and other Smeg appliances, please click on the link in the description.